Alright, just a quick video. We had to change the lock cylinder and ignition switch on our 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This part took me way too long to figure out, so I figured I would share it with you. Now what we have here, this is RockAuto. They're all pretty much the same, maybe 30 bucks in parts. All the instruction videos I found on YouTube stated that your lock will have a lock cylinder retaining pin. None of the lock cylinders you can buy on RockAuto or anywhere else apparently have that pin. Instead, they give you this metal bracket here and a black screw that you screw into the hole where that lock retaining pin is. They made that a security head for some reason, just to make your life a little bit more difficult. There'll be this little bag of stuff that will come with both the lock and the lock cylinder, so you get an extra set. Once you know what to do, it's pretty basic. Just line up there's a little slot there on the bottom with a screw hole on the top that'll go into the Jeep itself, and then drive the black screw into the hole. It will thread itself, and now you can turn the key and it will not pop out when you're in the run mode, which was a bit annoying. That's about it. You have a great day. Say goodbye.